In today's vlog, we are prepping for back to school season. I start school in about 4 days, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me while I do some very much needed deep cleaning, some good grocery shopping, and just in general getting myself organized. And that is physically, and of course, most importantly, mentally. So let's get into this vlog.
This is the catastrophe that we have to deal with right now. I've been in a weird funk this entire summer, so cleaning my room definitely hasn't been one of my top priorities, but it definitely is now with this back to school season. So first on our list is cleaning up my bedroom.
Yeah, we have a lot to do. I'm kind of scared that this might take a little bit long, so I really need to like rush and get it done. I think I'm gonna put on some Modern Family. That's like my newest obsession recently, watching Modern Family. I'm already on season 3 and I started this week, and like I don't want it to be over. I mean, there's 11 seasons, so I'm good. But yeah, we're gonna turn on some Modern Family and basically just cue the montage of me cleaning up the room and getting my shit together basically.
Would you like coffee or tea? Americano or espresso? I don't know how I can espresso all my feels. We can take in the sun. I think it'd be fun, even if it rains tomorrow. Right now it's so
the room is clean, finally. Everything has been organized. Look up top here, nice and clean. Desk is organized. Everything has just come together very nicely. Setup of Harry Styles, my lover. And then I have all my bags hung up there. Clothes organized. I feel like I'm about to crash because all I had today was ice cream, and there's still like so much stuff to do when I get back from the grocery store, so I'm probably gonna eat quickly and then we're gonna head to the grocery store. So yeah. Okay, we got some cranberry juice and some leftover macaroni and cheese that I made last night. I just put like extra cheese on it. I'm just gonna eat this and come up with a grocery list, because I have this issue where I cannot go into a grocery store unless I know exactly what I'm picking up, because if not, then I get like super overwhelmed with like all the different foods that are there, and then I end up picking up all this stuff that I don't even need. Okay, so we got a little notebook, and I'm just gonna flip to like a random page. Usually if I need some inspiration on like lunch or like breakfast or snack ideas, I'll usually watch like YouTubers like what I eat in a day. Fill up this page with some stuff to go buy from the grocery store so that I'm not overwhelmed with all the stuff in there. Okay, the grocery list is finished. I only added a couple of things. I'm gonna change my shorts and take out these pigtails, and let's go to the grocery store. The key to having a good grocery trip is having a good playlist to listen to while you're shopping for your groceries. All right, the grocery fit is on. Very basic but comfy.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Brew of all kinds of things.
Favorite pasta sauce, and it's on sale.
Got color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder.
Okay, so I just got back. So tired, but I'm so happy that like my room is like clean. I already feel myself like slowly like my energy coming down. The next thing on our list, we still have to do some laundry, but I have to start that at 7. At 7, I also want to set up my Notion. I have a Notion account already and I had it like prepped for the summer, but I want to change like my homepage and everything to be ready for school, as well as like my Google Calendar, get that all set up and everything. So let's get to it. Okay, yeah, so this is like my Notion right now. Like we have social media stuff, angel numbers, my little quote to myself, hobbies and plans, movies, music, fashion. I just want to update it to make it more like, school based, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm just gonna head over to Pinterest. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, the sun is definitely almost gone and it took me about like what, a good 30 minutes, not that long. Pinterest was kind of lacking with the pictures. I found it kind of hard to find some good pictures. So this is what it's looking like. So I changed the little cover here and I made it Tiana's Cafe instead of Tiana's Home. We have my little quote there, and then social media, routine and habits. I just changed the pictures to be more fall. I added all of like my classes that I'm taking this semester. Hobbies and plans, it's kind of like Halloween, fall, TBR, fall watch list, Tiana's Cafe. Like, I just like it. It's definitely more of a fall vibe. I love it because it just makes me feel more like ready mentally in my head, because I know if I'm organized then I feel like I have my together. So I'm just really happy that I got all that set up and like that's finally off my to-do list. Next thing that I have to do is go put in the laundry because it is past 7 now. Yeah, it's 7:24. So I'm gonna go put in the laundry and get that started.
Oh, well, we all know you got a bad for each other. Who cares? Doesn't matter. Well, tell me who's that boy over there? Making eyes, making me stare. Oh, well,
Okay, so the laundry is done. One thing that I forgot to actually set up in my room is this like green Nest chair that I bought for my room, but my room is so small. Like everything is so tiny in here. As you know, like the bed is literally against the closet. So I took it down to the basement because it took up too much room, but I love it so much and that's like where I read the books that I have. I'm gonna go get that, set it up, and yeah.
well, if you don't mind, I might try to see you later.
Sorry, my camera died. But yeah, so I really just want to use these last couple minutes in this vlog to really just set the goal for this school year of like what I want to do, what I want to achieve, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna grab out my journal. I'm probably gonna do some meditating, journaling, as I said. I'm gonna just have some like really nice soothing music, and yeah, Yeah, I'm just gonna listen to this playlist while I journal in my little journal book here.
To end off the video with this like bad quality of the phone, but thank you so much if you've gotten to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys get an idea of what you should do to prep for your back to school, or I hope you just enjoyed this video in general. So subscribe if you haven't already if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoy watching me, and I will see you guys next week Wednesday. Okay, bye.